Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to ping or get someone off your internet. It's only for educational purposes only. Please do not use it in any harmful way. I am not responsible for any harm you do to anyone's internet modem. Just putting that out there. And so the first thing, if you already know the person's IP, just give me a quick thing for you. All you gotta do is put pinging or ping and then IP address, or I'll just put Google's, which is right here, and then T minus, no, hold up, no, minus T minus L, and then how much packets. It depends how far away from you are. So like if you're like a good couple miles, you're not going to be able to do the max, which is 65000. But if you are close to them and you have good internet, then you could do that. But my cousin's a couple miles away from me. Or should I say like Google. Well, that's pretty much everywhere because all the internet modems and all that, but reason my cousin's Wi-Fi gets more internet, yeah, more like stable, and it's so like you guys don't know about line. So you put ping, put minus T minus L, and we'll put like one packet. See, so make it like on auto run where it keeps on auto running this. If you put this, it's gonna take like days to do. But like I said, because how far away I am, it's of course not gonna be good at all. But if you're like really close, you can do like 6,500 packets. Here's the max packets you can do. 65000. And of course the least is 0 or 1. But like let's say if you guys want to find out someone's IP address, I'm gonna make a link another video down below. But if you want to see any other videos, I'll be sure to make more. If you guys have comments of videos I should make, please leave comments. I am always down for that. And any other new lines of codes that I could possibly use and other different ways, please tell me that, of course. And I'm gonna be doing most of these videos like that. This is my first video I made. So if you all want to do any support or anything like that, then please do. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.